Hey Falcons, today what I'm going to talk to you guys about is double replacement reactions. The example or demonstration that I'm going to give you today is this double replacement reaction where we have aqueous lead to nitrate reacting with aqueous potassium iodide. Both of these are ionic compounds, they're salts. This one here, this is lead nitrate. This is potassium iodide. Okay, you can see that they're both white crystalline substances, just like most or many ionic compounds. And then what I've done is I've created aqueous solutions of them. See, if you see the AQ there, that's showing that they're going to be aqueous. So they've been dissolved, and in each of these test tubes with water. Now, when they react, what's going to happen is it's going to be a partner swap of the lead and the potassium ions. When they swap, what you're going to do to determine the reaction, if it will occur or not, is you're going to check on the back of your periodic table on your solubility chart to see if one of these two combinations, either lead and iodine or potassium and nitrate, you're going to look to see if those combinations form something that is insoluble, that will not dissolve in water. In this case, the one that I'm going to show you that is insoluble is the combination of lead and iodine. Those two, when they come together, water can't pull them apart, and it will form a solid precipitate, which you'll see both through the solid and through the color change that you observe. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix these two, and you'll see that interesting color change result. This yellow substance that you're seeing is that lead iodine. It's solid. If I was to let this sit for a number of minutes, what you would see is it would eventually settle to the bottom. It's a yellow, powdery substance that is insoluble in water. There is also dissolved in there potassium and nitrate ions. They would be free-floating, dissolved in the water, not coming together as a compound, but rather separate. So again, this is a double replacement reaction. In order to determine if one is going to occur, you need to see if a combination of positive and negative ions will form an insoluble salt, which you'd use the back of your periodic table to figure out. Thanks for your time, Falcons.